Welcome to Coleg Gwent, South East Wales' largest college, with courses to suit everyone.
Whether you want to become a chef and cook up a storm in a 5-star rated restaurant,
or study to become a veterinary nurse surrounded by all your favourite animals.
Learn a training skill never thought possible.
Play alongside your studies at the Dragons Junior Rugby Academy.
Achieve your dream of doing what you love and running your own successful business. And if you want to do a degree on your doorstep, you can achieve that here too.
At Coleg Gwent, we've got 5 vibrant and diverse campuses to choose from, so we're confident you'll find the location that is right for you.
What links our campuses is the state-of-the-art facilities, first-class teaching and excellent student support.
At Coleg Gwent, your dreams can become a reality. Even if you dream about starring in your favourite West End show one day, that's possible too.
Or make it as an engineer in the Formula 1 team.
Or make the cut as an hairdresser. And if it's seeing the world, you can do that here too.
Be spoilt for choice with a huge range of A-levels.
Earn while you learn with an apprenticeship.
Or join employers like us for work placements and future career developments.
Whatever you want to achieve, our award-winning and experienced staff will help you get there.
We believe that education has the power to change lives. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and make Coleg Gwent your college of choice.